Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many attempts error on the Telegram application. So let's get started right away. If you're trying to sign up for the Telegram application, but when you enter your phone number, you receive an error message telling you too many attempts and you don't even receive a verification code, then there are a few things that you should do. First of all, make sure that your country and your country code is entered correctly. And the other thing to watch out for is to see whether your phone number is entered correctly. If both of these are accurate, but you still don't get any message, then the next thing to check is to see if your Telegram application is updated to the latest version. So open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then simply search for Telegram. Once you find the Telegram application, if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Once it is done, tap on the open button and try signing up to your account once again. If the issue still isn't fixed, then you can long press on the Telegram application and then tap on the info icon at the top right corner to open up the application info. From here, first of all, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner to stop the application by tapping on OK. After you stop the application, scroll down and then tap on Storage. From the storage menu, first of all tap on Clear Cache to clear your application cache, and if it still doesn't work, then tap on the Manage Storage to clear your data as well. Once you have cleared everything, go back to the Telegram application, and now your sign up should be working just fine. And there you have it. That is how you can fix too many attempts error on the Telegram application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.